This is actually like my Boxing Day meal. Like it's like I normally do a Wellington, and you can just prep it all, put it in the fridge, and then you just pull it out the next day and you just stick it in the oven, and everybody loves it. And it's just a showstopper, isn't it? You bring it out and you're like, there you go, and it's done. And it's easy. I realised I wanted to be a chef from the age of 15. I grew up on a farm and, working with produce every day, I understood at a very young age the work that went into producing food and had a great respect for it. I've had 3 main mentors in my career and people that have just really inspired me, and that's been Gordon Ramsay, Alain Ducasse and Thomas Keller. I learnt so many different things from them. For example, Gordon would be really about his management style and leadership, and Alain Ducasse very much about classical French cuisine and produce, and then Thomas Keller for his stealthy, cool calmness in his kitchen. For me, the kitchen is the centre of the home, and being able to cook in the centre of the kitchen is really important. Even in my restaurant, there is no wall, it's a big window where the chefs gather around the pass, so to speak, and dress in front of the customers. It's very much that kind of, the epicenter of the home to be able to entertain and speak to people as you're cooking. It's really something that is, to me, something that's part of a show. Cooking should be in front of everyone and not hidden away in the corner. The extraction system is just beautiful by design and very powerful, and I really wanted to have that sense of that openness in the kitchen where I could talk to and entertain my friends and family around that central island. And that extraction system is incredibly powerful, very, very easy to use, and I love the automatic setting where it just controls itself. It's incredibly clever.